afternoon, class 10. Again, I have come to explain the part from covalent compounds. There are two types of covalent compounds, polar and non-polar. How they are differing from one another, they are depending upon the electronegativity differences of combining atoms. When the two atoms are of same electronegativity, or there is no or very little difference between the electronegativity of the molecules, then we will find the nonpolar covalent bonds. When the bond is formed between two atoms of same element, then the shared pair of electrons are shared equally between the two atoms. For example, covalent bonds formed in hydrogen H2, chlorine Cl2O2, N2, F2, etc. molecules. Electron dot diagram for chlorine. Chlorine has how many electrons in its outermost shell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons. Again another chlorine atom is coming and it has also 7 electrons in its outermost shell. These two atoms of chlorine are keeping one electron each for sharing. Now they are sharing this pair of electrons between one another and they are obtaining the octet stability 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. When they are sharing electrons, these two electrons will be shared by each of them to fulfill its octet. So now you are finding that each of the chlorine atom has obtained its octet stability. These molecules have no polarity in them. So they are called non-polar covalent molecules. Because how the polarity is developed within a molecule? When any one of them will attract the electron pair towards itself, then the polarity will develop. But here no polarity is developed because the electron pair is equally shared between the two atoms. Okay. Now non-polar covalent compounds can be formed or molecules can be formed between two dissimilar atoms if the electronegativity difference is very little. So always think about the electronegativity differences between the two atoms which are performing the covalent bond, which are contributing towards the covalent bond formation. Okay, so whenever they are of different elements, then also non-polar type of bond we can find. How? Whenever they have very little electronegativity differences, like carbon atom and hydrogen atom. How the bond is formed between them? One hydrogen atom is sharing 2 electrons. Carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell and hydrogen has one each. So each are keeping the one electron in between one carbon and one hydrogen, and thus a non-polar covalent bond is formed between the two. Now carbon and hydrogen has similar electronegativity. That means they have no difference or very little difference in between the electronegativity. So they are forming non-polar covalent bonds. Methane, carbon tetrachloride are examples of non-polar covalent molecules whenever two dissimilar atoms are concerned. Okay. Next I will discuss about the polar covalent molecules.